don't even know what I'm doing. I just click record and, you know, just gonna wing it. Hey everyone! So today's activity, I felt like being a queen and creating another headpiece. Why, I think I have a problem, but I wanted to do something autumn, fall themed since it is October, and I don't have anything like that, so that's what we're gonna create. So this lovely bundle of leaves and decorations, some of it was from Walmart, some were from the dollar store. I know I got this from Walmart. This was about $5, but I really like it, and it was like, it has a lot of different things and it's really pretty, so that's why I got it. But the rest each cost like 67 cents, 99 cents, you know. They're not expensive at all. I just didn't know what exactly I wanted to use for my headpiece and what I wanted to use to decorate, you know, my apartment. So I'll just use whatever leftovers for house decorations. You'll also need a wreath. Well, you could use a regular headband, but I wanted something big and sturdy since I have a lot of leaves and I wanted to make it kind of a big headpiece. I don't know why, because I don't even know where I'm going to put it after I'm done with this, but yeah, I guess the smaller the headband, the less decorations you would use, so it can actually hold up. We'll see how this works. I didn't really plan it out. And the last things you'll need are scissors and hot glue gun, of course. So with that being said, we shall start. The hot glue gun hates me. I burned myself so many times, kind of messed up these 3 fingers and my right foot and left ankle, and it's just, the glue was so hot for no reason. Well, it's hot glue gun, but it was really hot and it blistered my thumb and my middle finger. This finger, it got cut open slightly from the wire from cutting it. I didn't even notice. Like, the only thing I saw was that it had like little red dots on the wire. I'm like, what is that? And then I touched it and I realized it was blood, so it was my blood. It didn't really bleed a lot, I'm fine. But all I did was I trimmed the pieces that were sticking out. It was a bit more difficult because it is wired, so you want a bigger pair of scissors than the ones I started with, but the ones I switched it over to, it worked pretty good. So just make sure your scissors are durable enough, or, you know, find the thin wire leaves. I didn't use all of the things, of course, because I didn't want it to be too much. This actually is a lot for me. Like, what I had in mind in the first place. So I just stuck the rest in the vase behind me. And then yeah, if you want your headpiece to be more secure, you can tie like string or like an elastic something or a ribbon, kind of hide it in the back and like tie it on the back of your hair if you want it to sit and stay, because it doesn't really do that. And since it's round and my head isn't shaped that way, it's not going to stay. But for comfort, you want to make sure you put glue around the edges of the wires that you cut off so it's not stabbing you. I'm feeling a little piece, so I have to go back in and fix a little bit more. But yeah, it was pretty simple, not hard at all. If you're using a solid headband instead of a wreath to be able to stick it in and do it the lazy way, just pull off the leaves and the pieces and glue it that way, and then you can put your headband on. But that was it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm probably gonna do like a makeup tutorial with this or something. I don't know if that'll come first or this will come after. We'll see. If not, I'll just always add the link in the description or something. So yeah, have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon whenever you're watching, and I will see you guys later.